Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll review new project. The name is MonConnect. All the thing of MonConnect project is good. Today discuss about MonConnect in details to their website and for my opinion. Hope able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, don't skip the video, stay the full video. So let's discuss the main topics of this project. There is website of the MonConnect. So MonConnect one of the best project on this time. So everything is fine of this project. I see more persons joining every day at MonConnect. Current emission is 10k holder. So token contact white paper must handle storage. Please visit this their site. You can see you can share their many details. So it's 10k holder. So MonConnect aims to become the most decentralized and fairly distribution token in the universe by reaching at least holder more tokens. 70% of the circulation supply will be sent to rank to the advantage and reward. Okay, so successful audit. So there is a social media link, Telegram, Twitter, Medium, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit. So everything is fine of this project. So please visit this site. You can see their social media link, and visit this site. You can see understand about this project. Buy one pancake. How to buy crash chart. So there is many details here. So progressive distribution. So total token distribution, 30% of the token burn. So 30% burn at launch forever, 50% airdrop bounces and reward, 10% tracer and liquid lock, 5% airdrop fee and marketing, 5% team and development fund, 5% reflect to holders. So you share from 5% token from its transaction by holding your MonConnect token. You wallet no need for extra farming platform staking protocol. 5% up to liquidity pool. Every transaction fit in the liquidity pool and the overall liquidity of the token. Cutting this increases the stability of the pool and also supports press flow. Token holder, Telegram member, at camp, team member. So MonConnect wallet, simple to use to participate and reliable mobile wallet to ensure will be the MCON in second and without the need of any crypto related expense is to send to the token directly in app unlock 5k 100k holder. MonConnect including MonConnect tools. There is many details here. Please for the distribution. So everything is fine of this project. I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this time. It is main topics of this project. Progressive distribution. Almost all the token are their share similar problem, and universal distribution circulants supply just handful and individual on the majority of the supply. Researching in carnival oil dams and unstable price floor. Now it time make it that change. MonConnect fix this problem by design a games and the progressive distribution names. So these are the names solutions for distribution in inter supply that we can 70% of the circulation supply to minimum of 5 million users, and by doing so that make MonConnect the most decentralized fairly distribution to universe. Okay. 5% of reflect to holder, earn your share from on 5% fee token for a missed transaction by holding your Mooncanet token your wallet. No need to extra farming platform. The staking protocol 5% to liquidity pool every transaction fee at the liquidity pool and the overall liquidity of the token grow the continuous this encouraging stability of the pool and also support the pressure floor. Okay, so okay guys, Mooncanet project one of the best project at this moment time. So I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this moment time. So I hope this project give us a very good profit. Don't worry, always fan of this project. Okay guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.